Do you know how Ethereum is mined on large scale for earning more than $10 million daily? In this video, you're going to see in full process.
Ethereum begins with energy, but uses it differently.
Security starts with stability. Computation replaces combustion.
Access is tightly controlled.
Voltage is shaped for precision. Uptime is non-negotiable. Heat is still the enemy. Ethereum lives on servers now. Structure precedes function. Latency defines participation. Consensus needs communication. Each node holds responsibility.
Density replaces raw power.
Energy meets logic. Conditions protect uptime.
Software defines behavior.
Everything waits for activation.
Ethereum is about to come online. Recovery is responsibility. Secrets remain sealed. No single point of failure. Funds require isolation.
Stake represents commitment.
Capital enters consensus.
The protocol accepts validators. Identity joins the network.
Identity is mathematically forged.
Keys must never touch the internet.
Control begins with cryptography.
Entry is paced for stability.
Rules enforce honesty.
喺 business 喺度點呢？唔 despite 嘅，呢段專 personal 0.
Diversity strengthens resilience.
Preparation becomes execution.
Nothing proceeds unchecked. Ethereum comes online.
Time structures consensus. Roles rotate for fairness.
Leadership is temporary.
Demand waits for ordering.
Order is constructed.
Rules precede acceptance. Information propagates instantly.
Consensus is collective.
Agreement is mathematical. Voices converge.
Stake determines influence. Consensus aligns. Security compounds over time. Honest work earns yield.
Discipline avoids penalty. Power circulates.
Consensus never sleeps. Stability is achieved.
Consensus depends on connection.
Trust is negotiated continuously.
Information travels by relay.
Milliseconds influence fairness.
Distance still matters.
Volume tests resilience.
Redundancy corrects imperfection.
Continuity is engineered.
Time binds consensus. Bad actors fade out.
Rules decide truth.
Speed preserves rewards.
Privacy protects integrity.
The network adapts.
Fairness is preserved. Silence signals success.
Care avoids interruption.
Communication enables performance. Performance is measured continuously.
Availability earns rewards.
Every miss has a reason. Stability beats haste.
Consensus rewards responsiveness.
Data access must be instant.
Li nodes stay fast.
Diversity prevents systemic failure.
Order protects the network.
Consistency compounds returns.
Focus improves response.
Change without interruption.
Resilience is proven.
Time validates design.
Proof of stake changes economics.
Health sustains yield.
Efficiency must be protected.
Security protects both capital and trust.
Keys are never anonymous. Rules punish dishonesty automatically.
One validator, one voice.
Stopping safely beats risking slashing.
Minutes matter during incidents.
Containment limits damage.
Static access invites risk.
Secrets stay sealed.
Identity is verified continuously.
Records must be trusted.
Awareness reduces surprise.
Recovery completes defense.
Silence signals success.
Security enables growth. Where appears before failure. Response protects uptime.
Grace prevents penalty. Storage carries state.
Fresh components restore speed.
Verification follows repair. Consensus tolerates renewal.
Continuity is preserved.
Scale adds responsibility. Infrastructure adapts.
Automation accelerates scale.
Identity expands carefully. Entry remains paced.
Growth stays controlled.
Scale influences return.
Participation generates yield.
Not all rewards are equal.
Consistency compounds returns.
Efficiency captures extra value.
Selection shapes outcome.
Performance is rewarded.
Custody follows discipline.
Efficiency reduces friction. Isolation protects ASICs.
Digital assets still require books.
Profit is what remains.
Yield fuels growth.
Flexibility manages risk.
Transparency builds confidence.
Stability is engineered. Scale demands oversight.
Scale demands governance.
Rules differ by border. Legitimacy protects continuity.
Transparency builds trust.
Risk is measured, not ignored.
Yield survives turbulence.
Protection transfers exposure.
Proof of stake reduces footprint. Energy choices matter.
Change is inevitable.
Preparation prevents disruption.
Readiness avoids surprises.
Longevity is planned.
Accountability is formal.
Governance keeps systems running. The process comes full circle.
Security emerges from scale.
Infrastructure reaches maturity.
Consensus never pauses.
Efficiency keeps improving. The protocol evolves. Distribution protects neutrality. Excellence is measured.
Infrastructure becomes invisible.
Trust is engineered daily. Scale defines resilience.
And this is how Ethereum is secured on a large scale, from infrastructure to consensus.
Operations continue beyond daylight. Security lives everywhere.